Hello everyone, and welcome to the first S&E video. Today's video is not going to be anything special, merely just an introduction as to what this channel is and a quick sneak peek for the future. So to get us started, I'm just going to go over a brief introduction of who I am. I'm also going to go over some quick disclaimers regarding the content that is to come in the future. My name is Jack Cross. I am a clinical exercise physiology student at QT, Kelvin Grove, obviously Queensland. I'm a diehard sports fan, essentially any Aussie sport. I love it. I watch it, get around it, specifically NRL and cricket. Huge fan of the good old Bronx, Brisbane Broncos, but yeah, pretty much any Brisbane team. Lions, Brisbane Heat, and of course the internationals, Australia. A little fun fact as well, I've actually spent my fair share of time playing both rugby league and cricket, so I've had an early background in those sports, and still to this day quite passionate watching it. Also, another interesting fact, I guess, if you like, about me is I am a huge gamer, which is quite interesting. But yeah, I do enjoy gaming. Used to be pretty big back in the day, but nowadays I kind of just stick to simple stuff, whatever's kind of big at the moment. And of course, you sports games. So I've got Cricket 24, new rugby league game when it comes out. But yeah, who knows, maybe someday there might be some interesting content revolving around that. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Something else about me. Currently, I am a clinical exercise physiology student, but one day I actually hope to work in an elite sports team. So at the moment, there's kind of a bit of pondering going on as to whether or not exercise physio is the right degree for me. So sometime throughout this semester, I might be switching over to the sports science course. But of course, there's more to come on that later. I might make some academic update videos. And if you guys are interested, I can delve a bit more into that, the decisions, the pathways between the two, and why I ultimately end up choosing the one course over the other. All right, now to the juicy stuff. What I plan to get out of this content is, of course, enhance my own knowledge. I feel by making videos, teaching, I can actually grow my own knowledge. And of course, if there's people out there that actually enjoy this content and watch it, then of course I'm going to be teaching people as well. So I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks that I've used for exams, studying, how I take my notes potentially, going over content that I've learned, making lectures, maybe some more specific content on like certain areas. So maybe I plan to do like an overview of an area, and then maybe I might delve into a specific area a bit more once I go over an overview, just stuff like that. Just really any uni content, maybe even day in the life videos. Also, another big area in today's day and age, I guess, is you see all the time those exercise professionals reacting to certain like TikTok videos or Instagram videos to, I guess, assess the validity of the source. So maybe do some of those as well. And of course, I also plan to potentially make some videos with some friends where we could have like discussions between the two of us. And of course, the camera where we talk about just some habits that we each have and what we do, I guess, leading up to an exam potentially. So, because everyone's different, so it'd be great to get as many people involved as possible and lay out a good kind of game plan for you guys to help you out, because that's the whole idea of this channel. I just want to be able to help people out and enjoy myself and enhance my learning for future. Finally, to wrap this video up, this is a big point. Please listen carefully. This is a disclaimer. Obviously, I mentioned earlier that I am still a university student. That means I am not an accredited exercise professional. So I just want to make that very clear, okay? However, obviously, being a student, I am learning under academic professionals. I'm learning good habits regarding validity, reliability of sources. I have a pretty good GPA of 6.33, so I am going to convey my knowledge as best as I can in the most valid manner possible. So although I may not be an exercise professional, the stuff I am teaching can come from a good source, and I intend to also provide references when needed, where questioned, and follow up on any concerns you may have. I just wanted to make that very clear. I just wanted to finish off by saying I really hope that this channel can grow into something, not something huge, even if it's just a small fan base. I really want to inspire and help people get through. I know uni can be tough sometimes, going from school where you've got all this support from teachers and staff to uni where that is almost non-existent. So I'm just really hoping that I can help out as many people as possible, because for me, since I've been to uni, I've been able to thrive under those conditions. But I know a lot of people who have struggled. So I really hope I can help some people out, and that ultimately, above everything else, is the main goal of this channel. So stay tuned. Content will be coming very soon. So like and subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon.